Prescribed foods to fight cancer. It is energetically recommended to follow these grass-restrictive diet foods in the fight against cancer. Today the number of cancer is high. Most people did not give importance to the proper diet. They never mind how important to have a proper diet. And most of the foods eaten are dangerous to our health due to chemically processed and lead to cancer. Processed foods, if possible, are not recommended as a good diet for health. People fun of eating anything that seems delicious no matter what the effect of these. Diet is really important, so in buying foods it is recommended to check the nutrition facts of the products. Therefore, it is recommended these selected and well-known foods based on the study that foods carry an important role in fighting against cancer. 1. Dark green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, chard, kale, collard greens, romaine lettuce, and other dark green leafy vegetables are edible plant leaves and are champion wellsprings of a few diseases-battling substances. These cell reinforcement intensifies prevent malignant growth cells from developing. 2. Garlic and onions. Vegetables in the allium family incorporate garlic, onions, scallions, chives, and leeks. Use garlic and onions plentifully. Research has found that garlic and onions can obstruct the development of nitrosamines, strong cancer-causing agents that focus on a few destinations in the body, normally the colon, liver, and bosoms. To be sure, the more impactful the garlic or onion, the more bountiful the synthetically dynamic sulfur intensifies that for stall disease. Their malignant growth-battling capacities come civility of a few impactful sulfur-based compounds as well as the cell reinforcement quercetin. Garlic and other allium family food varieties might safeguard against stomach and colorectal disease. 3. Tomatoes or tomato products. Tomatoes or tomato products are rich in wellsprings of folate, vitamin C, and potassium, and lycopene is the most noticeable carotenoid, followed by beta and gamma carotene and pythine, as well as a few minor carotenoids. Tomatoes get their red tone from lycopene, a solid cell reinforcement. Some exploration shows lycopene might safeguard against prostate and different malignant growths. 4. Turmeric may reduce cancer risk. This orange-shaded flavor, a staple in Indian curries, contains a fixing called curcumin, not equivalent to cumin, that might be valuable in diminishing malignant growth risk. As per the American Cancer Society, curcumin can restrain a few sorts of malignant growth cells in research center examinations and slow the spread of disease or psychological cancers in certain creatures. This malignant growth-battling food is not difficult to track down in supermarkets, and you can involve it in an assortment of recipes on your enemy of disease diet. 5. Soy. The soybean is financially the main bean in the world, giving vegetable protein to a great many individuals and elements for many substance items. Soy food varieties are wealthy in estrogen like isoflavones, for example, genistein and daidzein. Studies recommend that soy food sources safeguard against chemical-related diseases, including those of the breast, prostate, and endometrium. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable related to kale, cabbage, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, high in many nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, potassium, and collard greens, contains isothiocyanate, and indole compounds are known for their benefits as cancer-blocking substance and slow tumor growth. 7. Cranberries. Cranberries are a group of evergreen dwarf shrubs or trailing vines in the subgenus Oxycoccus of the genus Vaccinium. They're a source of anthocyanins and flavonols, substances that may boost the immune response and help cells detoxify harmful substances. 8. Green tea. Truth be told, green tea contains multiple times a greater number of catechins than dark tea. This gentle, verdant-tasting mix contains catechins and cell reinforcements with anti-cancer properties. Drinking green tea routinely has been related to a lower risk for diseases of the bladder and intestinal system. 9. Grapes. Resveratrol is a cancer prevention agent and calming compound tracked down in grapes, particularly red and purple ones, where it's most packed in the skin. Resveratrol has been displayed to forestall disease and slow the development of malignant growth cells. 10. Winter squash. The profound orange tissue of oak seed, butternut, pumpkin, and other winter squashes is an education that they're rich in beta-carotene and other carotenoid colors. As well as being a cell reinforcement, beta-carotene is changed into vitamin A, a supplement that likewise may assist with forestalling malignant growth. 11. Whole grains. Many mixtures in entire grains have well-being advancing properties. For example, the fiber in entire grains might assist with forestalling colorectal disease. Their saponins and phenols might bring down the gamble for colon and bosom disease. These dietary decisions offer the best security when joined with ordinary activity, keeping a solid weight, a sans-smoke way of life, and partaking in suggested disease screenings. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Stay healthy and happy, and please do not forget to like and subscribe.